Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Dita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to discuss with you a topic. The topic name is that consistency. Okay, so now you all know, we all know what is the power of consistency, and everyone know what is the consistency. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you what is the consistency, and then I'm going to tell you how we use this habit in a good sense. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because this things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you. So watch the video right till the end, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so without any delay, let's get into the topic. So friends, my today topic is that consistency. Okay, so what is the consistency and how we get good result in any skill by using this this habit. Okay, first thing is that what is consistency. Consistency means regular. Consistency means repeatedly work. Okay, we all know, we all use this habit in our bad sense. How? Okay, we always use this theory in our bad sense, like sometimes we feel we getting angry. All the time we getting angry. Sometimes we feel like laziness. Sometimes we feel like procrastination. Okay, we lose our temper all the time. We lose our temper. So these are our bad habits. Okay, and it will come, it comes to us by doing work again and again over the long period of our life. So all bad habits comes us. Okay, okay, when we feel jealous all the times again, when we feel procrastination all the times again, when we feel laziness all the time again, so we find that we are habitual to do these things. Okay, I mean to say, when we do this habit over the long period of our lives, so all bad habit come us. Okay, so this is called consistency. When we use this habit again and focus the word again, I mean to say continuously. Okay, so have you thought ever why we are so, why we are the good habit person? Because we use this habit in our life again. So use the same principle, use the same theory to make a good habit, good quality in our life. So what is the good quality? The good quality is that if you want to achieve something new skill in your life, if you want to get any big goal in your life, and if you are studying, so use this theory. I mean to say, you have to focus on study, you have to focus on your goal, you have to focus on your practice. If you want to achieve any skill, so you have to focus on study. I mean to say, you have to practice every day, not once in a week, or once in a month, or once in a moon, blue moon. You have to focus, you have to practice every day. So, and all the time when you feel that you are not feeling good, and you keep practicing, moving forward. Okay, so that is the good habit will come to you. Okay, so use this habit, I mean to say consistency. Consistency again and again. If you do practice in English again and again, not skip a single day, so you will find that you are improving, you are the master of your skill. So use this habit in your daily routine. So this is called consistency. Okay friends. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to use this habit, and also I'm going to tell you, I heard from someone that a book name is never miss the twice. So I heard with some from the someone that it is written in a book, never miss the twice, that if you are, you know, actually we don't want to miss our practice, but it happened, it happens because of the circumstances, because of the any situation had come to you, and any circumstances had come to you. So you have to, you know, skip your practice. So if you miss it one day, if you are not doing practicing to achieve any skill, and if you do miss your one day, so it's okay. But if you are doing missing practicing second day, so the third day your mind and your body together not want to go practice. So this is called theory written in a book, name is never miss it twice. Okay, why? Because build a habit, it is going to take minimum 21 days. To build any good habit, it is going to take minimum 21 days, but to break a habit, it is going to take maximum 3 days, maximum 3 days. So be consistent to find to achieve your goal. If you want to speak in English fluently, if you want to improve your English fluency, then do practice every single day, don't miss a single day. Okay, if you miss your one day, so don't worry, it's okay. Actually we don't want to miss out, but it happens because of the circumstances, because of the any situation come to you, so you have to, you know, miss out one day. But please focus, don't miss out second day, make sure don't miss out second day, because third day your mind and your body don't want to do practice, because it's a human nature, it's a human nature. Your mind and your body don't want to trouble you it just want to relax all the time. Okay, so first thing is that it is called consistency. Okay, and most of the people always asked me that, ma'am, I have been studying, I have been learning this language from the 3 months, from the, you know, for the first 6 months, but still I am not improving, still I am not going to fluent. So yeah, I think that it is not for me, English is not for me, and it is very difficult. But friends, actually they are not consistent. Okay, towards their journey, towards their English speaking journey. If they are consistent, then it is impossible to achieve anything, because with the help of consistency, nothing can impossible, everything is possible. If you do your work with consistency, never miss a single day, so any skill will come to you. Okay friends, so use this technique in your English speaking terms. Okay, if you want to fluent in English, then do practice every day. Okay, if you're not getting enough time, so beat any aspects. If you are not getting to speak out, then do beat any aspects, like listen some content and reading and writing. So there you have a lot of option, but don't miss up, finally break on the your journey. Okay, do practice with any aspects. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you about the consistency, about the power of consistency. It is a wonderful power, and you know, most of the people who are, you know, successful in their life, so this so the behind the success, this is the main quality, okay, inside them. So use this quality to enhance your fluency, English speaking fluency. Use this quality, do practice every day. Okay, and just I want to share with you my journey. Okay, if you are following me from the beginning times, and so you have you have find different changes from the my first video and today video. It is happened because of the consistency. Okay, it's happened because of the consistency. Sometimes I feel like not good, I feel like that okay, I am not getting proper time, enough time, but still I can manage my routine, I can manage my time, and I just want to share with you, if I miss out to make a video a single day, so I make sure that don't miss it the second day. Okay, and actually I used this theory in my practice routine, and I find it helped me. And if it will and if it helped me a lot, so it will also help you. Use this theory. Consistency is the power, wonderful power. Once you use this theory, and you have already listen a story like rabbit or tortoise. Okay, so you find that tortoise will, tortoise won the race because of the consistency. Okay friends, so I hope you like my video. If you did so, so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.